Quite a bit of chop out there. Trying to come into Naples. And it's windy.
Naples, Florida.
Florida?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I screwed that one up, huh? My grandson just got football all-stars in Naples, Florida. And we happen to be in Naples, Italy. I got him confused a little bit. Not a very pretty port, I can tell you that much. So we'll see. We're going to walk outside of the port area, but here's a look at it. It's just, and from our balcony, it's not very pretty either. So we'll see. We'll see what we get here.
The Naples Cruise Port is in the center of Naples, and it's a short walk to the historic center. Not far from the cruise port is an open square called Piazza Municipio, and this is also where Castel Nuovo is. This castle is open Monday through Saturday, and tickets can be purchased at the office with a credit card. You can also catch the hop-on, hop-off bus, which is to the left side of the castle. In addition, Naples is the best port to catch several other trips that you can book via the bus, train, or ferry that go to Mt Vesuvius, Positano and the Amalfi Coast, Sorrento, Pompeii, and the Island of Capri. But since today Michael is still recovering from food poisoning, we are sticking close to the cruise ship and exploring a bit on foot. The city of Naples is easily walkable, and it has many quaint narrow streets and alleys, but we were very surprised by the amount of graffiti. It was everywhere. You couldn't help feeling like it was distracting from the beautiful architecture and the historical structures around the city. It also was October, and the kids were out doing a little bit of trick-or-treating. That was really interesting to see, and they seemed really happy doing their walk around the city. We enjoyed our little walk around Naples, but we know there is so much more to see and do, so we're hoping to visit again and explore more. Although I would have loved to sit down and have a pizza, food was still not Michael's friend. But along our walk, I couldn't help but notice some amazing looking pastries. I decided on one and had it packaged up to take back to the ship as my after dinner dessert. After doing a bit of walking around, we strolled back to the ship and still checked out some really very interesting structures along the way. Gosh, look at how pretty. I can't slide it out. Get up. I'll do this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells so good.
What's it taste like?
So yummy. So there's cream in the middle, ricotta. I don't know what the cake is, but it's like amaretto soaked. So yummy.
Smells good.
Oh my god, 12 yum, tastes yum. I wish you could enjoy some of it with me.
Maybe next time. Enjoy.
It's delicious. I'm not about to finish it.
Tomorrow.
Oh, I'm definitely saving it. Thanks for watching Hubbard's Journey and coming along on our little walk around Naples, Italy.
We're leaving the port of Naples, and right behind us was another ship leaving as well. And there's so many seagulls over here. It's like they're flying with us. Crazy. These seagulls are following us, and it's so crazy. There's so many of them, and they're so loud. Come on. They keep coming.